guys sonke la siyalazi isalamuzi angithi sonke la TikTok we've heard at least one story of umuntu coming forward here asho ukuthi uba kanjani ngesalamuzi eThekwini. So in all these stories that we hear on TikTok bahlezi abantu bebanja yabo abantu bahlezi bama victim kukancane owayengithi mina personally angikaze ngizwe umuntu ethi usurvive isalamuzi. I'm here to share my story today. I survived isalamuzi guys. I'm still shocked. I'm still shaking because lento le yenzeka manje ngiphasa ngiphuma eBlaze kube streets. Ngiphuma eBlaze ngiyaphi ngiyema taxi nangasekhaya ka ABC eMlazi ka ABC Cathedral phansi kwebridge yabo. Ngihambe ngihamba nje ngiyahamba ngigqoke. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this dress from Shein, right? So obviously endleleni ha wazamuhle nje sodwa sicefele sabafani. Hi bo. Ngithe ngifika emntexina eMenar ngiyajomba ke manje shodu amateksi angasekhaya guys ka ABC ngiwabuka kanje shodu uthi ngihambe ngele egcineni ngiyowela irobot khona ngizogibela. Nabo bafana la nabo abantu badayisa mama guys no sis no but badayisa baphethe inqobo lesa ingingila ogovona nayo girl into leyo. Ngiyahamba khona abafana bawu6 lapha phambi kwami yezo bame ngokugqaqana kodwa mina ngiyabona ukuthi labantu lababamba ndawonye ngiyabona lokho mina bengihamba athi ubhuti omunye nje umubiza umnyama athi lo bhuti lana yena hayibo sisi wequmuthi. Yabona guys the moment ethi esho legama elithi umuthi it clicked in my mind ukuthi fuck ngizobanjwa ke manje. Hayibo ngimzibe ubhuti ngiqhube ngihambele the time ngihamba mfethu uvalo lusho kumina inhliziyo ishiphuma ngomlomo ngikutshele. I instantly felt dizzy. How am I? Angazi ngoba they did not touch me. Ayikho umuntu ongithintile but I literally just felt dizzy. Futhi khona impela ababeka lapha ekwenza ukuthi wena ube dizzy. How am I? Ngasiqada guys isibindi ngazi isibindi ukuthi bengisathapi ngasiqada isibindi ka ispeed guys ngagijima. I ran. It was so embarrassing but like I had to survive. Angiqomile umuntu lapha eThekwini. Hawa man abo amadodasa hayibo kwenze njani hayibo gijima guys ngathi nje ngifika ngabela lapha ngibela ngisho robotini ngibela phansi nomgwaqo abantu imoto zaseqhamuka ngawela ngihamba ngogibela eTexini ngifike eTexini guys ngiyahefuzela uvalo losho ukuphuma ngomlomo hawa ma. So that is what happened. I think inengizizela phana guys is to run and bahlale besha abantu ukuthi do not speak to anyone, don't say anything. Ngisho umuntu ethi hayibo sis nakho wequmuthi ungambuza ukuthi umuthwani thula and just so nje I really thank God because who knows what uzozenzana mina ngiphethe ifoni ngisebenza ngayo ngiphethe imali I almost lost everything namhlanje. I almost lost everything and I'm still in shock. Ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu. Shame ngiyazi bezulu for just because I know it was him who saved me. It was him. So I just wanted to share that ukuthi I survived isalamuzi guys. So mhlambe it's going to help the next person, you know. Kuyasiza guys ukubaleka angeke baze bakujahe labantu laba amagwala angeke baze bakujahe. They're not going to run after you. They're not going to chase after you. Balekani ngitsheli mina.